YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And you guys can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. And make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. Oh baby, here we go. Alright, this should be a quick video. Whoa. Go. And look at this. Comes from Granitestone Diamond Pro. 3 nonstick hard anodized cookware set. Triple layer Granitestone brand with titanium. Yeah. No oil or butter needed. Dishwasher safe. Cool handle touch. Good for those. Electric, ceramic. So good to go. Just think, guys, we've got like under 4 months until the holidays hit. So you might want to think ahead. Instead of going to the store, order these now. Get it delivered. They got good deals going on, so definitely check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. There we go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Garbage out. Garbage out. Here's, not sure what size this. Got some warranty stuff. Got another 10-year warranty. And they got the little stuff info. Oh, these are nice. Watch out, Gordon Ramsay. Look at that. Oops. Diamond Pro. Yeah, these ain't heavy at all. It's a nice one. Put that right over there. Here's a 12-inch. So that's a 10-inch. This is a 12, big guy. Oh yeah. I would definitely wash this first, because you never know. Here's a handle. You can have it hanging too with the little hook right there. And these are nice. And this small guy. So like I said, if you guys are in the market or just buy an extra set, like I said, for the holiday cooking coming up, this would be a good one to get. They got them at a discounted price now, on sale. You gotta whack somebody's head with this one. Bam, bam. So really nice. Here you go, guys. Check them out. Granitestone Diamond Pro. Here you go. All right, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend. Take it easy.